Yo, what's going on, guys? Just a quick update on the VIP Telegram channel. If you want to take a look at the breakdown of these trades that I'm going to show you, there's another YouTube video I just uploaded, I think called Gold plus 35 pips or something like that. You guys can go take a look at that and watch the breakdown. This video is just going to go over the VIP Telegram for Gold and GJ and just the trades. So last night, so let me bring up the Telegram. This is the Telegram right here. This is the free one, sorry, this is the VIP. And you can see here, sell stops on gold. You can see gold, today's gold levels are in. This is the chart, xauusd 1 hour. Sell stops, entry 1934,910, stop loss, take profit, all levels given. And then you can see here that was 3 o'clock, right on the dot. And then at 4:10 I said move stops on gold to break even. Beautiful trade. And then just after that it hit take profit right here. You can see I posted that 4:10, and then literally at 4:10, 4:11 gold take profit hit literally a minute later after we moved our stops to break even. So that was the trade on gold, 35 pips that was given in the VIP Telegram. And then the day before, so this was Wednesday and this was Tuesday. Here you can see June 21st. This was a GJ sell given. So you can see here, GJ, where is it? Right here. This was before it happened. This was the setup on GJ. Today's GJ setup, entry, sell stop. There's the entry, stop loss, take profit levels. You can also get them from the chart as well. You can see here, this is the stop loss, entry, take profit. And then you can see, boom, right here, as price is coming down on GJ, move stops to break even if you're in this GBP JPY trade, and then GJ take profit hit 35 pips right here. Boom, 35 pips. So two beautiful trades. That's the aftermath of the GJ trade. Price continued bearish. That's the aftermath of the GJ trade. The update on the VIP, we are currently 15 wins, 2 losses, and 4 break-even trades so far, and it hasn't even been a month yet. So the record is strong. We've got 8 members in here now, and new people are still joining. So if you're interested, the link will be down below. This is just to keep you updated on how the VIP is going. If you guys are kind of in the background watching it to see how it's all going to play out, I'm just keeping you guys updated. And if you do join, you'll be added. Obviously, you'll get access to the VIP group where you can go in here. You can go on videos, and you can see the educational content here. There's 3 videos, all educational content on how I trade. And you also get access to the community chat, which you know, you can talk to me through here and talk to other members in here. So yeah, that is the update on the VIP. Yesterday we did have that was the GJ trade given the day before, and there's also trades over here. Yesterday I did give this trade, I did call out this trade, but then I told them to delete the buy stops because of inflation rate news, and you just don't want to be in the market during those kind of news events around inflation and interest rates, especially the way the economy and the way the interest and inflation rates have been rising consistently over this last year. It does usually affect the market quite aggressively. You know, you'll see big moves, sudden big moves like we saw here, big push up and then big spike down back into the support. So that is the update on the VIP. If you guys are interested, the links will be below for the free and also the VIP Telegram. And if you have any questions, you can email me. I'll leave my email down below, or you can comment on this video and I'll answer those questions. So that's about it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll potentially see you in the VIP or the free Telegram, or I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.